Hey you. Yeah, let me get up all out your face, but do you want to learn how to make some good food? I'm sorry, sis. You want to learn how to make some good food? I got you covered. All you got to do is stay tuned. All you got to do is stay tuned. Just a whole 1 second. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, Jazzmen Newsom, where we talk about beauty, fashion, and vegan recipes. I am Jazzmen, of course, and today I have a very delicious and yummy recipe for you. We have oyster mushroom po' boys. When I tell you, these things are so doggone good. They are absolutely delicious, and I have the recipe for you. But before we get into the recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We are on the track to 100 subscribers, so help me, help you. You subscribe, I give you the good, please. Anyway, let's get to the recipe.
For your Remoulade sauce, add 1/2 cup of plant-based mayo, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of dill pickle juice, 1 tablespoon of diced capers, 1/2 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's creole seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon of generic creole seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Once all of your ingredients are in a bowl, mixed until fully combined. Once combined, place in the refrigerator to chill. Next up is the breading. We're going to take 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 1 whole cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's creole seasoning, 1 tablespoon of generic creole seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now I have under 2 pounds of mushrooms, just under 2 pounds, and I chopped them up into small quarters. I used plant-based buttermilk to help the flour stick to the mushrooms, and then I coated it like so. Now you're going to add your oil to the skillet and heat until 350 degrees. Once heated, add your mushrooms to the skillet. If you have nice sized pieces like this, make sure you do not overcrowd. Cook for 5 minutes on each side until golden brown, just like this. Delicious. Now next we're going to make the sandwich. Take a piece of French bread and we're going to add add sauce to the bottom and spread it like so. Next up is your lettuce, your 2 tomatoes, add pickles for your liking, and then you're going to add the star of the show and add your bread on top.
And there you have it, delicious oyster mushroom po' boys that everyone, even meat eaters, will enjoy. If you like this recipe, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell to show me how you really feel. Also, I moved TT Time to Instagram, so if you want to see veganized, delicious cocktails and drinks, make sure you check me out at Jazzmen Newsom so you can see what I do with these cocktails. Like I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay you, my friends.